takeout coffee cups. Eco-friendly and biodegradable products such as pizza packaging boxes and handheld paper bags. The plant covers an area of about 3,000 square meters and has more than 80 professional printing and back-end equipment such as Heidelberg, Roland printing presses, laminating machines, paper laminators, die-cutting machines, hot stamping machines, box gluers, etc., and has a complete and scientific quality management system. Products are highly praised and recognized by customers in the United States, Europe, South America, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Japan, and South Korea. The company currently cooperates with hundreds of large and medium-sized chain catering companies and large-scale food processing plants, and has been highly recognized by customers. OEM service available and welcome. Fast transportation, short delivery cycle, stable product delivery, guaranteed quality, and can meet the needs of our customers. With first-class technology and dedicated service, Senang Packaging wholeheartedly looks forward to your service. In the future, we will collaborate with all catering professionals around the world to create an efficient, green, and safe packaging closed-loop supply chain and contribute our corporate value to the global environmental protection cause.